Jiufen, baby. Hey, Ivana, how you Jiufen?
Pretty good.
So we're in Jiufen. It is a more traditional town than Taipei. Smaller town on a hill. Looks cute. Looks pretty. We're gonna explore it. We're gonna look for what we're looking for.
Tea houses. We got a view of the ocean, and at night all these lanterns will light up. The street will look nice. Lots of street food again, because we're in Taiwan.
Very
So-
nice. We'll try to fly the drone today. We will also really enjoy each other's company, won't we, Ivana?
Yeah.
What a sweetheart Ivana is. Okay, let's go check it out, guys. We just found Jiufen, what's it called? Old Street? The Old Street. So it's this long hallway here. It's actually outside, but it looks like it's inside.
It's pretty crowded right now.
Really crowded, full of shops and stalls and people. So we're gonna go for a walk down it and see what we can see, baby. That stinky tofu is so gross. So gross. How much? 30, 40?
440. We're getting some pork sausage.
Sausage on a stick. It'll be sweet.
Oh yeah?
Put some kind of sugary thing on it. The problem is, if we walk into somewhere where they're selling sticky tofu, I'm gonna lose my appetite. That sticky tofu is so strong. It feels like BO and sauce. It's really gross.
Seaweed crackers. You can sample stuff for free here.
Is it free? Seaweed cracker? Oh man!
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh, seaweed cracker. Woo. Woo-hoo. Tiny little fishies. Tiny little fishies. It's a little fishy.
Got some squid. There's so much free samples in this. I like it.
Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Fried squid? No. So what's this? Oh, that's gonna be nasty. I'm not even gonna try it.
It's good.
No, it's not. It's lying. I'm not trying it. I'm not trying it.
I want to buy it.
You wanna buy some? Maybe on the way back. So we made it out alive. How do you feel about that? What's your favorite thing in there?
I like seeing all the street food there. And
Yeah,
getting
seeing
free
the street food.
samples.
Free samples. Whew, my nose has been in better shape. There's some smelly things in there. I don't like the smell of seafood, and that sticky tofu is really gross. So I enjoyed that. Now let's go some proper lunch because one sausage and a bunch of snacks not enough. Proper lunch? Proper lunch. What a great place to have coffee. What'd you get?
Hot milk tea.
Hot milk tea. I got a little cup of coffee here.
With that view.
Check this view, man. It's a little bit foggy again. We've been getting some bad luck with the fog, but to be honest, this is a great little town. Quiet little place, you know. We're gonna have some coffee today. We'll try to fly the drone over all of this. It might look pretty cool, you know. you know?
So, dragons. Dragons. I was born in the year of the dragon, so I'm special.
So rah.
Dragons, they're special in the Chinese culture.
These pillars are awesome. So that's it for us from Jiufen. Hey Vonna, how you Jiufen? What a great little town to explore. What was your favorite part? Vanna's stuck.
All these lanterns.
The lanterns are really nice at nighttime. They're really pretty. We flew the drone just to see them again. Where are we going next, Ivana? Where's the next video? So next place we'll see you in is probably the Philippines. We'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching, all that jazz. Click on this video. Okay, bye-bye.